Hello everyone! Today, we're heading a real special place here in Ligao City, the Ligao City Heritage Library and Museum. And we're also super lucky because we'll get the chance to ask a few questions to Sir Adalberto Grandi Santiago, a registered librarian.
Yung primary services namin namin is, actually makikita niyo siya sa aming bansa. Gusto niyo makita. Oh my God, shit. Let's begin. So, first is reference services. Alam niyo naman yun, di ba? If there are clients who will ask for this kind of information, we will directly give the information. So, that is references. Lending and circulation services, ito yung borrowing and discharging of library materials to our clients. And then parent awareness services, these are posted in our library Facebook page in order for our clients to be updated kung ano yung aming services, yung aming mga programs. And then we also have book and artifact exits. So ngayon kami museum there. Internet services, we have free Wi-Fi for 2 hours. Available siya for 2 hours. And then library orientation or user education. Storytelling session, actually in the storytelling sessions of schools and barracks. Last April, we had our storytelling session sa coastal area, sa dagat, malapit sa dagat. Sa barangay Mokmon, Legacy. And then we also have our research assistants and consultants. Arts and crafts, nagkakaroon kami dito na crochet workshop. And then library card applications, community engagement program, printing services, and other library activities. So those are our library services that we offer to our clients. Isa-isahin ko ha, sige, yung mga programs niya. Sige, last year, since I started as a librarian, so nagkaroon kami ng crochet workshop. And then continue siya. And then meron kaming every March, International Women's Day, March 8. March 8, March 8. March 8. So meron kaming tribute to women and girls. So, yung tribute na yun, may binibigay kaming token, simple token of appreciation sa first, say for example, first 10 women and girls na papasok sa library. For last year, we had 24 women and girls na binigyan namin ng token. Aside from that, we have our monthly activities. So halimbawa, last November, we had our National Library and Information Services Month. Ay nagkaroon kami ng masining na pagkukwento contest. And then, yun nga, nagkakaroon kami ng storytelling sessions sa mga schools or sa barangay. Sabi nga sa fifth law ng library science, nirang gamitan, kumbaga, library is a growing organism. So, from time to time, nag-i-innovate, nagkakaroon ng pagbabago sa library. Hindi lang tayo expand na maganda. Nandito tayo sa situation na ganito, na the traditional, hindi lang, nandoon lang tayo. May mga pagbabago. So, there is technological innovation that we can add in our life. So, yung pagbabago pa yung naman nila, i-adjust sa ating. So, that is why sa amin, pagpapasok, inuumpisahan na namin is yung library entry pass. I-scan na lang. Para kung may papasok, i-scan mo. Kasi yung last time, ay yung ano namin, practice namin is nagaling code pa doon sa computer. So, gagawin namin, i-scan na lang, mapadali. So, yun. Kung i-adapt natin yung pagbabago, especially if we will adapt technological innovation, may mga pagbabago pa yung sa ating business. Siguro, sa akin, is yung maibigay mo yung services sa clients. Especially if may mga activities kaming kinakanda. Halimbawa, nakikita mo kasi sa kanila na may pakatapos ng activity, tuwang-tuwa sila. Especially sa mga bata, kung nagkakataon ng storytelling session. Makita mo sa mga bata, tuwang-tuwa sila. Although may binibigay kami na sample para sa kanila after the session, storytelling session, may natututunan sila. Pag may ilang babaon sa tao, aside from token na minibig, siguro yun yung rewarding para sa Sa profession natin kasi, sa profession in your, kumbaga sa future ninyo, if ever mo, yung mga opportunities kasi hindi lang siya sa library, hindi lang siya limited. Ah, Marami tayong opportunities. Say for example, if you become librarian, pwede kayong magtrabaho sa archives, museums, even sa mga online. And sa mga specialized, you have UST, with Department of Health, may kada department ng or ahensya ng gobyerno, may mga library. So hindi lang school library, hindi lang public library, hindi lang law library, hindi lang college library. So there are a lot of opportunities na pwede din po yung pagplan. Hindi yun. Pero ang ano ko lang sa inyo is, ang ganito natin slow. Kasi hindi ko to first choice. Pero, unti-unti, nung college ako, natutunan ko siya ng Islam. Kasi hindi lang siya nakapunta sa isang, kasi marami pang go.
Before we end, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Sir Adalberto Grande Sananfuego for warmly welcoming us into the Legazpi City Heritage Library and Museum, a librarian. Thank you, sir, for giving us the opportunity to explore, learn, and share the rich culture and history of Legazpi City preserved within this wall. Your hospitality made this experience even more meaningful for us. Thank you for joining us on this short but meaningful visit to the Ligao City Heritage Library and Museum. It's more than just a place for books, but also a space where history, culture of Ligao City was about. Learning come together. Whether you're here to study, explore local heritage, simply enjoy a quiet corner to read, or a version of technology, and the library welcomes everyone. We hope this inspire you to visit Discovery and appreciate the value it's bring to the Legal City Heritage Library and Museum of its community. Until next time, keep reading, keep learning, and keep exploring.